Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to share my experience in Kuldhara, popularly known as the Ghost Village or Haunted Village. Kuldhara is an abandoned village which is situated 17 km west of Jaisalmer, Rajasthan. Some 300 years ago, it used to be a very prosperous village, but suddenly in 19th century, villagers of 85 villages left their homes and vanished. Till date, nobody knows what happened there and where they resettled. Now, why is a once prosperous village is now nothing but an abandoned old site? There are so many stories and assumptions people believe as a reason for this abandoned village. More 300 years ago, Kuldhara was home to the Paliwal Brahmins. At that time, Salim Singh was the Diwan of Jaisalmer and he was known for his cruel behavior while collecting tax. According to the legends, Salim Singh set his eyes on a beautiful daughter of the village Mukhiya. Then the villager of 85 villages decided not to let him do that and they left that place over a night. For a generation now, no one knows where the Paliwals have resettled. Some people also believe that they cursed the village when they left, that no one would ever be able to settle down in Kuldhara again. And that curse stays true till date because the village is abandoned and empty. Now come to the facts and points according to the studies and history. By the 19th century, the village had been abandoned for unknown reasons. The possible reasons may be lack of water supply or persecution by the Jaisalmer's minister Salim Singh. A 2017 study suggests Kuldhara and other 84 villages were abandoned because of an earthquake. By 1815, most of the wells in the villages had dried up. By 1850, only the staple and two other deep wells were functional. Because of dried up river and lack of water, agricultural productivity would have greatly reduced and it was difficult for them to fulfill the high tax demands, which could have forced the Paliwals to abandon Kuldhara. According to historical records, the population of Kuldhara was around 1588 during 17th to 18th century, 800 in 1815 and 37 in 1890. So if we see these facts, then it doesn't look that much hard to believe that 30 to 35 population can abandon a village overnight, right? However, nobody knows why they left their own home and village and where they resettled. So this will always remain as a mystery. Let me know what do you think about this, and also don't forget to visit this place if you ever go for Rajasthan trip. People come to Kuldhara with a perception that ghosts live here, or it is a haunted place, but people who live there, they never encountered any such experience. When I asked to a local, he simply replied, actually Kuldhara has no life but the ruined buildings and silence of desert, and this kind of atmosphere creates fear. In addition to this, the location is very interior and there is no electricity in Kuldhara, so after sunset no one would dare to go. I have heard so many stories about this place, but this is just a matter of personal belief. The village is still abandoned and now it's popular among tourists as a haunted site. The local residents around the area do not believe in the ghost stories but propagate them in order to attract tourists. In 2011, some scenes of the movie Azim Binod were shot at this site. If you like my video, then don't forget to share it with your friends and also like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel.